Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at the all-new 2019 230 Sunliner. This boat is a 23-foot boat. Got gray interior with cup holders that are tucked away. There's armrests here in the front loungers. Just make it very nice to lounge out, as well as on this side too. It's a two-tone gray with diamond sequins. It's absolutely gorgeous. The flooring is infinity woven flooring. Great on stains. It's hard to rip, hard to tear. Great flooring. This is what we call the center walkthrough. It's a center walkthrough because there's loungers on both sides. It's one of our most popular layouts that we have to offer. And there's cup holders, again, tucked away, as well as up in the top. This boat is powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury Pro engine. Has hydraulic steering, which makes it easy to steer. Got a stainless steel 4-step ladder versus the 3-step. Here in this compartment is a door. It does not have a dressing room, but it's easy to put a dressing room in case you want to upgrade that. Here at the helm, we have a Fusion audio speaker player, as well as your fuel gauge, your tachometer, depth finder, RPM gauge, and all. These helm seat is a low back helm chair. It's a nice comfortable area. And under all the seats, of course, is storage. Go. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Come check out this pontoon or any of the other pontoons that we have here in stock.